Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. I'm Pravalika Janga. Welcome to PJ Chemistry. In physical and chemical changes unit, the topics I have divided into 3 parts. If you haven't watched my previous videos, that is part 1, part 2 and part 3, I gave the link below in the description. Please check it out. Before getting into our topic, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and also at the end of this video, if you like this video, click the like button. It gives me an encouragement, and also share this video with your friends. Now we will discuss about points to ponder. We will summarize the whole unit. Topic number 1, introduction. Definition of change. The process in which there is a change in state, color, shape, size, property, chemical composition and structure of a substance is called change. Changes are of two types. Number 1, physical changes. Number 2, chemical changes. What are physical changes? Substances which undergo changes in the physical properties of a substance. What are chemical changes? Substances which undergo changes in the chemical properties. Now let's see topic number 2, physical changes. Definition of physical change: a substance that undergoes change only in its physical properties such as shape, size, color and state, and no new substance is formed. Such substances will undergo physical changes. Physical changes are the temporary changes which can easily reversed to form the original substance. Physical changes undergo reversible changes. Example: melting an ice cube, boiling water and crushing a can. Topic number 3, chemical changes. What are chemical changes? Definition of chemical change: a change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. Example: rusting of an iron, burning of wood, baking a cake. Chemical changes are the permanent changes which can usually not to be reversed to form the original substance. So chemical changes are irreversible changes. Chemical changes are used in our daily life process. Chemical changes are very important in our lives. Best example is medicine. Few more examples like plastics and detergents, crackers, spoilage of food, photosynthesis and digestion. All these are the examples of chemical changes. Now let's see topic number 4, rusting of an iron. It is a chemical change when iron articles or iron objects is left out in an open area. What happens? A brownish substance gets deposited on its surface. It is called rust. Rust formation takes place in the presence of oxygen and water or water vapor. Iron is getting exposed to oxygen and water. We get the rust, which is nothing but the iron oxide Fe2O3. The color of the rust will be reddish brown. To prevent iron articles from coming in contact with oxygen or water or both, there are two methods. First method is applying a coat of paint or grease. Second method is galvanization. Disadvantages of rusting of an iron: it destroys the metal quality and also it reduces the strength of the iron. Ozone layer: it acts as a protective shield. It is the breaking down of ozone. It is a chemical change. Stainless steel: it is made by mixing iron with carbon and metals like chromium, nickel and manganese. It does not get rusted. Topic number 5, crystallization. What is crystallization? The process of obtaining crystals of pure substance from its solution is called crystallization. It is an example of physical change. Example: we can obtain crystals of copper sulfate by boiling copper sulfate solution. Second example is salt. It is obtained by evaporation of seawater. Both copper sulfate and salt are the examples of crystallization process. So with this we have completed physical and chemical changes unit. If you have any doubts regarding this unit, comment below. I will answer all your queries. I would like to end this video with this beautiful quote: if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I will be back with my next video.